Find out from you, how's your experience at Laser Petroleum Geosciences will frame your career goal?
Oh, I remember coming into Laser with just undergraduate knowledge and not knowing the way forward, having done internship and IT in oil and gas industry, but still I was unable to bridge that gap. But coming to Laser has sharpened my skills. I remember an interview I did last 2 weeks, and all I could talk about was my Laser experience and how it was able to help me own my personality, make me very handy. Same thing when I went for NAPE conference. I just realized that I'm not the same person I was career-wise, and even with the courses we're doing, it has made me know that okay, going forward, this is what I want to pursue, and that this is where I want to go. So Laser has really shaped me to becoming a better geoscientist and also an engineer if I decide to go that path.
Okay, that's nice. Thank you for your time.
Ah, you're welcome.
Okay, welcome. So tell us why you chose to school at Laser Petroleum Geosciences School.
Okay, as a chemical engineer, trying to transition fully into the oil and gas industry as a production engineer, I figured Laser is the perfect place to help me bridge the gap between classroom and real life events. So that's the reason why I'm here.
Okay, thank you so much. All right, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Good to have you here.
Thank you so much.
All right, so we'd like to know what your career prospects are after your study here at Laser Petroleum Geosciences School.
Okay. Thank you again for the question. For me, my career focus is actually laser sharp. So I aim to become a reservoir engineer in the future in the upstream, playing in the upstream, focusing especially or specifically on hydrocarbon optimization and efficient reservoir management.
Okay. All right. What's your advice to young engineering graduates?
I have a lot to tell them, but first, it's good you start early.
Okay.
You graduated, you have your B engine, that's not enough. You need a platform where you can get the prerequisite experience, the knowledge, the skills, the hands-on. I think LPGC has all of this. So I would advise them, as many as can, get this information to quickly, get enrolled in an environment like this, where you not only get the skills, you also get the advantage of, running a master's program and all that. So I would advise them to get enrolled in a place like this.
Wow. Let's find out from you. Are learning methodologies in Laser Petroleum Geosciences School effective?
Oh yes, the learning methodologies are very great. As a matter of fact, materials are being sent to with the students ahead of time, so we get the opportunity to prepare to interface with these materials and prepare ourselves before the lectures commences. And also LPGC offers or has provided us the opportunity for physical classes and as well the e-classes to be able to accommodate those that are not working and those that are working effective.
Meet you, Andrew, once again. Would you recommend Laser Petroleum Geosciences School and why?
Yes, I'll gladly recommend LPGC to anyone who is willing to hone his or her skills in the oil and gas industry because we have top facilitators in the oil and gas industry, and the course is well aligned with the current trend in the oil and gas industry. And we also have the privilege to work on real-life data from the oil and gas field, which is what we really invoke in the industry. So to anyone who is willing to hone his or her skills in the oil and gas industry, make that move, come to LPGC and improve your skills.
To the young graduates out there, Laser Petroleum Geosciences is definitely the best place to be. Thank you.